In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom org charts and shapes in drawio for Confluence Cloud. First, open Confluence and head to the page where you want your diagram to live. In the editor, type the / command for macros, then type draw and choose the draw.io diagram option. This launches the draw.io editor inside your Confluence page, so everything you create is saved with the page. When the template chooser appears, pick either a blank diagram for maximum control or start from the org chart template if you want a head start. Both open in the same editor. The template just preloads a few example nodes you can replace. If you go blank, you'll still be able to access all the org chart elements. On the left, use the shape library search and look up org chart. Drag the base org chart container onto the canvas. This container manages hierarchy and spacing for you, so connectors and alignment stay tidy as the chart grows. Resize the container if needed to give yourself room, and use the zoom controls to work comfortably. To build the structure, select any person box and use the blue arrows that appear. The down arrow adds a subordinate, and the side arrows add peers at the same level. Each new shape is automatically connected and aligned. Click a shape and start typing to update names or titles, and press enter to confirm. If reporting lines change, simply drag a shape onto a new manager. The tree snaps into place and redraws the connectors to match the new relationship. This is the quickest way to reflect team changes without redrawing from scratch. You can also create your own custom shapes and save them for reuse. Start from one of the org chart boxes or a basic shape. Duplicate it and adjust the fields you care about, like role, team, or location, so every card looks consistent. Use the Format panel on the right to style everything. Adjust fill and line colors, tweak corner radius, choose fonts, set shadows, and control layout options like orientation and spacing. A simple color palette and consistent text sizes make large org charts easier to scan and maintain. When you have a shape you love, go to File, then New Library, and choose Confluence Cloud. This creates a library stored with your Confluence instance. Give it a clear name so teammates can recognize it later. Now drag images or any existing shapes from the canvas straight into the library panel. Group related elements before dragging if you want them to behave as a single reusable component. Click the Save icon in the library to store it for future diagrams. Next time you're diagramming, open your library from plus more shapes or through File and Open Library in the menu, and your custom shapes will be ready to drop in. That's it. You've built an org chart, customized its look, and created a reusable shape library for fast, consistent diagrams in Confluence.